Hi, my name is Geeta Bisht. I'm currently pursuing journalism and mass communication, and I'm studying digital marketing from JSDM. After joining JSDM, I found that in digital marketing, everything is calculatable. We can track and calculate every data and metrics. I was looking for a digital marketing institute near Mansarovar, and I found JSDM through Google. Their ratings and reviews are awesome, and they are matching exactly the same. I choose digital marketing because being a digital marketer, I can do my clients' work from anywhere, and that's what I always wanted. JSDM has a great facility and faculty. They have a specific teacher for every stream. Ashish sir is expert in digital marketing. He's teaching us Facebook ads and many things. Ajay sir is teaching us SMO, and Rishabh sir is expert in SEO. The environment here is so friendly. The teachers are so supportive. You can go with your query anytime and they will help you anytime. You should choose JSDM because you will get an opportunity to work on live projects, and this will increase your skills more. After joining JSDM, I came across an internship regarding SMO, where my responsibilities and duties were generating captions and hashtags for a post, creating posts and scheduling posts. Best institute for polishing your skills.